If you need to convert 430 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, here's how you do it. So 1 atmosphere, that equals 760 millimeters of mercury. And that's our conversion factor. So we're going to multiply 430 millimeters of mercury times our conversion factor. So since we have millimeters of mercury on the top, we're going to use 760 millimeters of mercury on the bottom. That way these will cancel out. Then we'll put our 1 atm up here on the top. And now when we multiply 430 millimeters of mercury times the conversion factor here, millimeters of mercury cancels out, and we're left with atmospheres. That's what we're looking for. So 430 divided by 760, that gives us 0.5657. So let's call it 0.566 atm. And we know it's atm because that's all that's left up here in our calculation. Shows us that we did it correctly. This is Dr. B converting 430 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.